I like to show you Furoshiki style wrapping with no tape. Prepare a square paper with one circumference of a box. Place the paper at the 45-degree angle and center the box. First, put the top flap down and crease the upper corner. Then, lift the bottom flip and crease the bottom corner. Make sharp creases on all four corners. While holding the paper in place, make a loop and a tail with the right end ribbon. Hold the point and release the rest of the right end. Then place the point in the center of the box. Wrap the long side ribbon around the back of the box from bottom to top. Bring it back to the front. Then cross the right end ribbon in the center like this. Pull the right end ribbon tightly towards the upper right. While holding a crossed point firmly with your fingers, make a loop with the left ribbon. Take the ribbon on the right side and wrap it around the base of the loop. Pull it out to the left through this hole, while keeping your finger on the crossed point. For tightening it, pull out the upper side of the left loop and the bottom side of the right loop. Make sure the box is centered. Start holding from the left flip. Make sharp corners like this. Make sure each corner is held to the end. Align this crease with this corner. And place this hold on this corner and line it up. Do the same on this side. Align the creases neatly. Slide the left flip under the ribbon, then pull it to the right. Then do the same on the right side flip. This order is important in Japanese style gift wrapping. Since the right side on top is always used for happy occasions, and the left side on top is used for sad occasions. Just for your information. Finish the corners neatly. Adjust the bow nicely and cut the tails. Here it's done. The recipient can open it just like that. For a rectangular box, prepare a square piece of paper that is the circumference of the short side of the box. Place the box in the center. Just like the square box, bring down the top flip, then lift the bottom flip. Crease the corners, then once release them. Make a loop and a tail with a ribbon. Keep that point of the ribbon. Bring back the both flips. Then place that point of the ribbon in the center of the box. While holding the paper down, wrap the ribbon around it in the same way as a square box. Then do the same process as for the square box until the end. Let's make a nice bow. Close the left side, then the right side on top. Now, here you are, a very happy present without tape.